What's up, guys? It's Beast Mode here, and today we are going to a little waterfall. Let's go check it out. It's a bit down there. There's some railing over there, and these are hard to walk on. There's rocks everywhere. I have fallen at least 6 times today, so yeah. Let's get over here. Be right back when we get to the falls. Wow! Some people are over there. Let's go! This is gonna be cool. How'd you get down there?
Stop.
I'll go this way then. Okay. Wow. Let's get up here. I don't see the falls. They're over there.
Yeah, you gotta go down there.
I see the river. It's down there.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! I see it. Oh, there's some people walking. Bye. Okay. Whoa. Well, gotta get down there. I guess the only thing to do is fly down. Okay, here we go. Hopefully.
Can I go down there?
Can't see nothing. Falls are right there. They're hard to see, but it goes way down there. Dang. Down to the water. Man, the falls are up there. I saw them. Wow, this is amazing.
Oh, yeah. Whoa!
Dang, look at the falls. It's going down.
Are you doing something? That's how mom came around.
Alright, well, that's what I came up here for. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, be a beast.